Hello, I am Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Delta Force error code 14. The error reads, Game server network connection unresponsive, unable to continue. Please press OK to exit the game. As per our research, the error occurs when players are in the game and suddenly lose connection. Some users reported getting the error after completing an operation, while others saw it when trying to join a match and being placed in a queue. According to our research, this error is likely related to network issues or server overload, making it difficult for players to connect properly. To deal with the error, first, restart your system and network. Once restarted, launch the game again and see if the error is resolved. If the error still appears, check if there are any pending updates for the game or your device's operating system. If updates are available, install them and try again. If the error still comes, try deleting the game cache folder located in the binaries. After deleting the cache, restart the game and see if it works. If clearing the cache doesn't work, try reinstalling the game and updating your network drivers. Some players have reported that this helped fix the issue, so give this a try and see if this helps you too. If nothing works, the issue is likely server-related. In this case, you may need to wait for some time and try again later. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.